Hi guys, and welcome to yet another video of this channel, Himanshu Agrawal channel. In this video we'll talk about landing pages, like how to build a landing page and how to get it for absolutely free. And here's the bonus, I'll also teach you how to send emails after you get those emails for absolutely free to your whole email list. And we start right now. So the first thing is, what is a landing page? So a landing page is nothing but basically a bridge between you and your customer. So let me explain it through a model. So on your screen, you can obviously see my screen. So on that screen, you'll see that let's say, let me choose a pen. So let's say this is you and this is your customer, correct? Now you are posting on Instagram, you're posting on YouTube, and you're posting on different platforms. So you're basically getting traffic, right? That means attention and eyeballs of people. Now the problem is, all those people who are watching your videos and everything and basically are becoming the traffic of yours are not able to get to you. The simple reason is because it's very direct when they reach out to you. So they either need to comment. So for example, if I don't have a landing page right now, you need to comment on this video, or you need to DM me, or you need to ask my phone number, or do all this kind of things, which is not automated for me, and it is not scalable. Because let's say my channel goes to 4 million subscribers. Now I cannot handle those many of number of calls for everyday basis. So what I do is I create kind of a window through which you can basically see me or see what the work I do. And this is the window, and this thing is basically called as a landing page. Now what is a landing page? A landing page is a page where someone gives their contact info in return for something valuable, which is also called as a lead magnet. If you want to watch a video on how lead magnets work, click the link over here or here and you'll see a particular video that works on that. So basically someone gives their contact and you send them a lead magnet, which basically gives you a list of people, a list of email list, I can say. Let me write it over here, a list. Now this can be a phone number list, or this can be an email list, or this can be even a messenger list if you know how to use ManyChat and all. So it depends on you, whatever you want to create. So the best example of this is linked in the description. I have my landing page, go over there, check it out how it feels. And in this video also I'll teach you how to create one. You already know the promise of this video. So best software to make one for free. So you might be thinking, how can I create a landing page for free? The best answer is, there is a way. First of all, there is a way, there is a possibility to create a landing page for free, absolutely free. No domain needed, no GoDaddy hosting, no WordPress, no ClickFunnels, nothing like that. You might see in the market there are many of the softwares through which you can create landing pages. So it might be ClickFunnels that you're looking for, or it might be lead pages, or it might be Elementor, and there are many more softwares, but these all cost money, which you obviously don't have. That's why you're watching this video, or you don't want to invest in a tool right now. But I have a tool for you which can do this work for absolutely free. This is called as ConvertKit. So if you click the link in the description that I've given, it's an affiliate link. Click on the create a free account. Once you create a free account, you can literally send emails for free and you can create a whole landing page. Now let's get into how you can basically create one landing page and in less than 5 minutes. So you do ConvertKit. Once you click on the link in description and you sign up for the account, you will see something like this after verifying your email. Go to landing pages and forms over here. Once you go over here, click on this create new button. So I already have a landing page that you can see, and you can see it's converting at 6%, which is kind of good, not very bad, because it's a new idea of mine and I'm just testing this out, right? I already have a lot of accounts on ConvertKit done, and we are paying ConvertKit also, and I have a lot of softwares that I work on. Anyways, create new, just click on create new over here. Once you have done that, go to landing page. And now you have a lot of templates that you can choose from. So I'll choose most of the basic one, this one, okay? So I'll click on choose. Now you can see the whole landing page is in front of me. Now let me show you how to edit it, and it's very simple. So let's say get my free ebook on how to dash, or get my free training, or whatever you want to. And then you basically tell here about yourself. Hi, I am Himanshu and I help dash to dash by dash, and let's say a little bit more about my credibility and achievements. Let's say this is what I want to write over here, or you can basically say 3 secrets you will reveal in this training. Whatever you want to write, you can write. You can see it's whole editable. Now let's say I want to take the name of the person, so I click over here, I take it above custom field, first name. So first name over here, email over here, and this is basically a subscribe button that anyone can use to basically click this button and you'll get their email. It's that simple, right? So you basically get something like this. If you want to change your photo, click over here, click edit, sorry, replace. So edit, if you want to edit your photo, you want to crop it or do anything, you can do that, but I don't want to do that. I want to replace the photo. Recent uploads, there would be some. Okay, so I choose this photo, let's say for example, it's kind of big, so I click over here, I'll click on edit. I want to make it small, only this much. Done. It's loading. Done. You can see my photo is here, everything is over here, everything is done. It's that simple, guys. And now what you can do, click on settings. On settings you can go to advanced, and now you can basically set all the things you want to set. So let's say you want to show them a success message, or you want to send them a thank you page. It depends on you, whatever you want to do. Click on this, send them an Excel page or show a success message. Domain, if you want to add a domain of yours. Incentive, that means you want to send an incentive email or auto confirm people. It depends on you, whatever you want to do. Or let's say you want them to download something. So let's say you have a lead magnet. So in the previous video of mine, video would be here. Click on that to see how to create a lead magnet. Let's say I choose this, then I go to downloads. Where's my downloads? Okay, downloads. I choose it over here. I click on open. See, now save. And now I have my lead magnet download. So the moment someone clicks on subscribe, they will automatically receive the download that I've given, and then they can obviously do everything they want. If you want to change the page, so this is, let's say, a test page that I've created, you can do all of that thing. If you want to preview, just click on preview, and this is how my landing page would look. Cool, right? That's it. So that is how you create a landing page. If you got value out of this video, click the link in below, check out my landing page. Also drop your like or comment, and also subscribe. I try to provide the maximum value I can. If you want any specific videos, mention in the comment. I regularly read your comments, and I make videos only on that particular topics. Thank you so much. See you until next time.